Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, we'll explore the post category block to create beautiful post categories and help your audience navigate your Gutenberg website more effectively. If you own a blogging website or your business site has a growing blog audience, you can use the post category block to create a user interactive post navigation experience. The unique selling point of the block is that you can personalize it to suit your brand and theme. Interested? All right, let's see it in action. You can find the post category block from the Quick Block menu and select it to drop on your page. The block has a default appearance that includes the category names and post counts on top of a black background. From the block options, you can change the block's layout style between Style 1 and Style 2. However, Style 2 displays the categories in bigger grids, along with the category images, title, and post count, and view all buttons on hover. The options let you toggle the post count and image in case you want to switch those off. Then for the content, you can limit the category text, change the label of the View All button, as well as select a button icon. Because it's a grid, there are grid settings you can customize, like the column number and the gap between rows and columns. You can also customize the query of the post category, like setting the item limit, choosing taxonomy, excluding specific categories, which lets you select and exclude the ones you don't want to display, and sorting order. Now, these all are the basic settings. To customize the appearance of the block, the Style tab comes into play. Inside the Style tab, you can actively customize the item height, background color, padding, border, shadows, etc. The background options also allow multicolor settings to display each category box in its unique color. For the border, you can select the width, color, and placement. Easy to do. Then again, there's a thumbnail section that lets you change the resolution and background color of the images. And for the category names, you can change the text color and also change the font style using typography. Typography is a combination of font customizations such as font family, size, weight, spacing, decoration, etc. So take your time to make the font awesome. Then for the post count, you can play with the color, typography, background, border, and padding. With these options, you can easily make the counter stand out or match style as your preferences. As for the description text, you get to customize text color, typography, and spacing. However, the description will only appear if you have set it from your WordPress post category dashboard. You can also customize the View All button that appears on hover. You can change the color, typography, and background for a nice match with the rest of the content. Playing with the padding values also helps you to make the button bigger or smaller. And there are hover color options to add more interactivity to the buttons. And just like that, you can make a nice post category section for your landing page. Here are some ready patterns to inspire you. And that's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon.